Welcome to our freight community. In this video segment, I will demonstrate how to post a truck, generate matching loads, and submit an online bid. The first thing I need to do is to start posting my truck. Posting truck is a quick and easy process. First, I need to select the origin and availability of my truck. Here, I can select if it's available on, before, or after the day select. I can select if I'm looking for LTL or a full truckload. Pickup radius, maximum number of pallets, maximum weight, length of the equipment, floor type, and if it's operated by team or a single driver. Here, I can select one or multiple states where I would like to send my truck to. Here, I can select the logistic specifications the truck is equipped with, in this case load bars, and then perhaps enter a message in my own words to anyone who looks at my listing. In the section below, I can deactivate the load matching agent or leave it as it is, activate it, which will automatically match any available loads that match my truck listing. If I leave this section blank, the posting will become alive as soon as I confirm my listing, or I can schedule it at a later date and time and click confirm. Now my listing is active. And if I look at the top section of the screen, I will notice that the system has generated 232 matching loads for my truck. Now I can easily navigate to view my matching loads. If I think that these results are too broad, I can try narrowing it down by editing my listing and perhaps excluding some states. And see what results I get. I narrowed it down and now I have only 25 matching loads. Now I can click here and go through each one of them to see the details of each listing. Now I will quickly demonstrate to you how to submit a bid over the phone and online. Let's look at this second listing. This particular listing is showing the phone number, so that means that this listing agent would like to hear from the carriers and negotiate a rate over the phone. If we go back and select the first listing, I will quickly notice that this particular listing is not showing the phone number of the listing agent. Instead, it has a new option which will allow me to submit my bid online. However, I notice that this listing requires a copy of my cargo insurance policy to send along with my bid. So let's submit my bid. I just submitted my bid online. I would like to thank you for your attention, and I hope that you found this video to be constructive and educational.